Hi everyone, welcome to the vibrant world of realism philosophy in education. Let's dive into practical learning and critical thinking. I am Marshadi Casala from Baal 1 Black 1.
And today my chosen topic is all about realism philosophy. Aristotle is the philosopher of realism started by an ancient Greek writer. It states that there are true reality and things exist whether humans perceive them or not. Realism believes that all knowledge is derived from experience. According to realists, believes that everything that exists in the universe is matter of energy or matter in motion. Realism philosophy education emphasizes the importance of practical experiences, observation, and critical thinking in the learning process. It focuses on teaching students how to think independently and develop their understanding of the world. And also, realism is an approach of the life that means dealing with the way things are. If you see the world through the lens of realism, you accept what's in front of you and don't pretend to otherwise. And that's all. Thank you.